Since I stopped working out of the home, I found myself baking a lot more. I tend to bake on Friday when the week feels like it's almost through. Most of the days of the week, I'm finding myself cleaning a lot, and that gets undone really quickly. But when you bake, you get to make a product and create something that's going to make your family smile and give them full bellies. And this makes me really happy. I do often bake things on the healthier side, but in this instance, I am baking my famous chocolate chip cookies, which will absolutely go to use this weekend when we have a couple of different parties and get togethers. And some of the cookies will go into the freezer as well. Next up are banana oat muffins. I like to make muffins as often as possible. They're really easy to bring to the park or just have a snack at home. But also, if you don't get through them, they're really easy to throw in the freezer and discover later when you really are looking for a great snack. I made these muffins mini muffins, and those are really great for younger kids. But overall, muffins are just such an easy thing to make and throw together. And honestly, they're one of the recipes that are also very, very easy to do. There's not a lot of room to mess up. So everything turned out really nice today, and we have some snacks that we can eat over the weekend or bring to parties. And if you're interested in content like this, subscribe to Come Home with Kate. Let me know in the comments what you like to bake, and I will see you soon.